Welcome to Merrill Tutorials. This tutorial will get you started on populating your Merrill entry. Log in to edit a Merrill entry. Go to www.merrill.eu and click Login. You'll be automatically redirected to the Merrill login page. Enter your login details and press Login. If you've forgotten your password, you can request a reset through merrill@esf.org. 1. Example. Edit a Merrill draft entry. Search for your RI's draft entry by typing the name into the search bar. In this example, look for Portuguese Biological Data Network. Then click the Search button. You'll be taken to the search results. If you don't see your entry at the top of the list, click Sort By. From the drop-down menu, choose More Relevant first. Your RI entry will now be displayed on top. Click on your entry to access its draft page. Now you can see the page for the RI. Currently it's a draft, so it doesn't contain much information. To populate the entry form with more information, click Edit. Now you can see the entry's data form. There are 3 data modules. By default, the core data module is expanded. To see the other data modules, collapse the core data module by clicking the arrow on the right. To see the fields in the additional data module, expand the module by clicking the respective arrow. Likewise, for the advanced data module, expand the module by clicking the respective arrow. For now, expand the core data module again. Acronym, name, and website should have already been supplied. Scroll down to see the other compulsory fields, e.g. hosting legal entity and location. This RI is self-standing, so we can select the respective tick box. Next, add the RI's address. To add the location country, click the Country field. You can either scroll down the drop-down menu or start typing the country's name, in this case Portugal, into the search bar. Select the location country from the drop-down menu. All other compulsory fields in the core data module are marked by an asterisk. Scroll down further to see more fields. To enter whether the RI is distributed, mobile, single-sited or virtual, click Type of RI. Select all types that apply. In this case, the RI appears to be virtual. If you're unsure about the definitions, you can hover over the respective question mark to find more details. Next, add the coordinating country. Unless the RI is part of a larger transnational consortium, the coordinating country is usually the same as the location country. To do so, click on Coordinating Country. In this example, we select Portugal from the list. Please provide information on the current status of your RI. At least one year value needs to be supplied. Please provide us with the details of a public contact. To do so, click on the Public Contact field. Type in the contact person's name. If the name already exists in the database, add the contact to the field. If the person record does not exist yet, please fill in the relevant details. If the public contact also serves as the Merrill contact, activate the tick box. Otherwise, proceed to enter contact details for the Merrill contact. The Merrill contact is the person who provides the Merrill team with information about their RI. Continue to add keywords that describe the RI. To do so, click into the RI Keywords field. Start typing a keyword into the field. Here, we search for the keyword biological. A selection of predefined keywords appear that match the search. Select the keyword you're looking for. To add further keywords, click Select Keywords again. Start by typing another keyword. Here, we look for data analysis. You can repeat this action as often as you need. Please include details on your RI's mission and objectives. Next, click on Select RI Categories. Search the categories that match your RI best. Here we type the keyword biology into the search bar. Select the categories that apply. Multiple category values can be added. Now, click on Select Scientific Domain. Select all scientific domains that apply. Now, click on Select ESFRI Domain. Select all ESFRI domains that apply. Make sure you save your data before adding any RI services or equipment, as this leads you to a new form. Scroll down to the Save button. Click Save. To add the last piece of compulsory information, click on Add a new service. Confirm that you would like to go to the service form. Add a service name. You can also add a service description. You need to link this service to your RI. To do this, click in the RI field. Type the RI's name into the field. Select the RI, then click Save. You're automatically redirected to the RI's edit form. Scroll down to review your data. If all the data is correct and all the compulsory information has been supplied, you can put your entry into finalized state to alert the Merrill data managers to review and publish the entry. To do this, expand the MERIL 2 Related Data module. Click on Status of Entry. Move your entry from Draft to Finalized status. Click Save again. To leave the edit form, scroll down to the View RI button. Click View RI. Take a look at your RI entry. Once published, this is how the public will see the entry. Log in to edit a MERIL entry. This was the tutorial showing you how to log in to edit a MERIL entry. If you'd like to learn more about how to use MERIL, proceed with the other tutorials on the Outreach page.